everyone, welcome to WayKen. Today we are going to talk about a very hot topic, humanoid robots. When it comes to manufacturing humanoid robots, whether it's rotary joints, hands, or various transmission components, these parts all need to handle complex motions and torque, as well as precise geometric structures and strict assembly tolerances. So, for these kinds of small batch custom parts, CNC precision machining is usually a more reliable and controllable manufacturing method. This part we are showing today is a joint component from humanoid joint models. Let's take a close look at how WayKen machines this component. This part measures roughly 165 by 165 by 25 millimeters. Its design includes multiple ribs, and the central multi-hole array is a typical end structure for a joint. The volume is not big, but machining it is far from easy. There are three main challenges. 1. The structure is complex, with varying wall thickness. 2. Aluminum. The material itself is prone to deformation. 3. The drawings have very strict requirements. Flatness must be within 0.03 millimeters, and hole position tolerances also within 0.03 millimeters. For a robot joint, these tolerances directly affect assembly and motion performance. There's no room for error. To ensure the final structure and precision, we follow a complete machine process. Step 1. We start with the A side for roughing. This pre-machines the blank into the basic shape and relieves internal stress. For high-precision holes and datum surfaces, we leave extra material and pre-machine two precise holes to aid positioning later. Step 2. We flip the part and machine the entire opposite side in one setup, ensuring overall stability of shape and position. Step 3. Clamp it again on the reverse side. We use the previously machined precision holes as reference points. First, we finish the large flat surfaces, then the central reference holes, and finally, the holes that require the highest positional accuracy. This guarantees that the final part meets the drawing specifications. Why follow this sequence? There are two key points: relieve stress and prevent deformation. Skipping the first step and cutting too much material at once can easily deform the A side. The A side has multiple reference surfaces and high-precision holes. Roughing first and finishing last ensures that both dimensions and positional accuracy meet the standards in a single pass. To ensure quality, every part undergoes strict inspection with a coordinate measuring machine. We check flatness, hole position, concentricity, and more. Visual inspection is also performed to ensure that every part delivered meets customer requirements. WayKen has extensive experience in machining humanoid robot components, from joint frame to structural parts, from small batches prototype to stable productions. We provide high-quality, reliable machine service. If you have any similar needs for humanoid robot components, please feel free to contact WayKen. We look forward to working with you.